What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the media keeps stopping error in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on apps. Now tap on manage apps and here tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner. Now tap on other settings and then tap on reset app preferences. Now here tap on reset apps option from the pop-up to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset the preferences for all of your apps. It doesn't matter the app is disabled or default, it will reset the preferences of the app. And resetting the app preferences will help you to fix the media keep stopping error. Now if you are still facing the issue after this, then check for your phone's software update. So to check that, open settings, tap on about phone and then tap on software version. Now from here check if your phone have any available update. So if you have any update available, then update the phone's software to the latest version. And after updating the phone's software to the latest version, the media keeps stopping error will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the media keeps stopping error in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.